Hey guys, Barbara here. There are some great tools you can use in Google Docs. Let's have a look. Google has some really great features that will really kick your document creation up a notch. For example, you're able to translate the contents of your entire document from one language to another in a few easy steps. Need your document to be in Chichewa? How about French? Or even Shona? Translating a document is easier than ever before. It does the bulk work for you, and all you need to do is some grammatical editing. Another great feature in Google Docs is the ability to use voice typing. Voice typing helps you to assimilate your thoughts through dialogue. It's a great way to get your thoughts out quickly. Let's check it out. This document is currently in English. This makes it accessible to only English readers and speakers. If we head to the Tools menu, you will see the option to Translate Document. From the little pop-up window that appears, you will be able to give your document a title. It will automatically add the words Translated Copy. When you translate this document, it will create a new version of the document and will not replace the current version. Select Choose Language, and you will see the multiple languages on offer. Anything from isiZulu to Spanish to Russian, French, Arabic, and even Afrikaans. Once you have selected the language you would like, choose Translate. A new tab will open and your translated document will load. You will see that the document text has now been translated to Afrikaans. This is mostly a direct translation, but the great thing is that it does the bulk of the translation for you, and you can read through or get a translator to read through and make the necessary edits. I think this feature has serious potential to make content available in multiple languages. The next feature we will explore is voice typing. From your Tools menu, head down to the option for voice typing. A little box will appear with a microphone. At the top of this window, you will see the option to change your input language. You can even change between English accents from here. Select the input language you would like Google Docs to type in. When you are ready, use the little microphone to activate this feature. When you click on the microphone, it will go red and Google Chrome will ask to give access to your device's microphone. Be sure to select Allow from this pop-up window that appears. When you begin to talk, Google will type what it is that you are saying, period. Does this feature get you excited? ? New line. Using voice typing helps you to get your thoughts onto a page quickly! ! New paragraph. Be sure to pronounce your words carefully and precisely for the best results, period. Google will do a little load at the end and try to correct any errors that it may have made along the way. I spoke with the punctuation additions here. Alternatively, you could type them in manually as you go along. How great is this feature? A few additional features to know about in Google Docs is the ability to check spelling and grammar, as well as access your personal dictionary. You are able to see your document word count from here too. If you have two versions of a document, you are able to compare them to see any changes that have been made. There is a new citation option that you can explore when adding in citations. Lastly, you are able to see a document's activity if you have editing rights. You can do this from the activity dashboard or from this little arrow icon that appears in the Google Doc. This will show you who has viewed the document, the viewer trend, the comment trend, sharing history, and some privacy settings. It can be useful to look at this data to see if people have opened your document to view.